Is breakfast really the most important meal of the day? Join me, guys, up until then. I've got Allera here. Why breakfast can be important. Is skipping breakfast actually bad for you? Or is the most important meal of the day just a meat we've been eating for years? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Ethel where we talk about health, wellness, and smart lifestyle choices to help you feel your best every day. Today, we're diving into the science, the myths, and the facts behind breakfast. Do you really need to eat first thing in the morning? Or is skipping it okay? Stay tuned because the answer might surprise you. Why breakfast can be important? The number one reason boosts energy and metabolism. Eating in the morning helps replenish glucose and jumpstart your metabolism after an overnight fast. Why breakfast can be important? The number two reason improves concentration. Studies link breakfast with better memory, attention, and performance, especially in children and students. Why breakfast can be important? The third reason supports weight management. Some research suggests that people who eat a healthy breakfast are less likely to overeat later in the day. Why breakfast can be important? The fourth reason helps maintain blood sugar. Eating early can regulate blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity. If you're learning something new or curious about how this affects your own morning routine, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments. Are you a breakfast lover or a breakfast skipper? So, is breakfast really the most important meal of the day? The truth is, it depends. What matters more is what you eat, how your body responds, and what fits in your lifestyle. But it's not for everyone. 1. Intermittent fasting. Many thrive on eating later in the day through time restricted eating without negative health benefits. 2. Meal quality matters more. A sugary processed breakfast like donuts or sugary cereals can be worse than skipping it altogether. 3. Body adaptation. Some people simply aren't hungry in the morning, and forcing food may be unnecessary. But it's not for everyone. 1. Intermittent fasting. Many thrive on eating later in the day through time restricted eating without negative health benefits. 2. Meal quality matters more. A sugary processed breakfast like donuts or sugary cereals can be worse than skipping it altogether. 3. Body adaptation. Some people simply aren't hungry in the morning, and forcing food may be unnecessary. Breakfast can be the most important meal if it's nutritious and suits your body's needs. But it's not a one size fits all rule. What matters most is the overall quality and balance of your daily food intake. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wellness tips every day. And hit that bell so you never miss a post. Thanks for watching. And remember, whether it's breakfast or your mindset, start your day with something nourishing. See you next time. Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button for you to get updated on the next video. Stay well and keep flowing. Ethel Allera here is signing off.